Alright, so we just want to give a quick catch up on what we're about to be doing. We've been in Raleigh, Missouri for about the last 2 months, staying at my brother's house after leaving Wyoming. And now we are about to be heading out tomorrow.
So we're gonna be staying in Ohio with his mom for about 2.5 weeks before we make our way back to Pisgah, North Carolina. And we are gonna take you guys along with us on every step of the way, so stay tuned. We got the car packed up with the roof rack on.
Alrighty, so we're on the road finally. Always a little bit bittersweet saying goodbye, but we finally made it. Heading to Ohio. See you very soon.
Alright, we've arrived. Pulling in. Oh, look, dude, running right there.
Welcome to East Liverpool. Hitting the Dusty Trail once more. Just now leaving East Liverpool, Ohio, heading straight for Asheville. Just stopped for a quick bathroom break. It's starting to rain a little bit. About 45 minutes out. So. Thank God we just made it. We just got checked into our room and we're waiting on the rest of the group to show up. They're just 30 minutes back behind me, so go Kaylin's a little bit later, of course. Love you, Kaylin. My boy.
What's up, man?
My boy. What's up, bro? Right here. Right here. Here's to everyone getting here. There'll be another video with everyone later. Hey, Kevin! It's so
Run a lot, bitch. Hey, the lighting right? Hey, hold up, I can make up in here.
Alrighty, so we are heading on up to Pisgah. We just left the hotel. We're about to get moved in.
All right, we made it to Pisgah. Walking over there, we're getting checked in. Heck yeah, gotta get the keys to unlock the gate, get our room keys, start cleaning. Getting our keys. Just made it to HR's office. Jason on the scene, what are your thoughts?
Excited.
Yeah. There you go.
My bags are back. Going on a trip.
Our first kind of outdoor sesh out here on some trails, but it's paved. Spent the last few days getting ready for opening. It's finally here. Working a dinner shift, and we just got set up. Taking a quick little 5-minute break before we get in there.
Yep, here we go.
First night done. Walking home with the group. Not too shabby of a night. First day jitters out of the way. Now I'm ready for breakfast.
Ready to take on the next 7 months.
For sakes. I don't know what the shakes. We're on top of the world. Made it back to Waterfalls Falls. Got Jay Money showing up for the first time.
What I'm here for you. Good morning, thanks for calling Pisgah Inn. How may I help you?
Now I am stuck between my anger and the blame I can't face. Memories of something smoking weed does not replace. Now I am terrified of weather, cause I see you when it rains. Doc told me to travel, but there's COVID on the plane. And I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, but she forgot that I existed. And it's half my fault, I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now you're tired